Hello, this is Cochise Pearson, and I'm coming back at you with a very captivating video on home lab projects that you need to cover so you are able to have success with landing that job in cybersecurity. Now, before I delve into my topic, if you are watching this video in the comments section, I would like for you to please highlight what city that you are watching this video from or what country so that I can make a special acknowledgement. Now, moving forward, it's very important that you establish a very powerful foundation in IT support, networking, system administration, cloud computing, and security tools if you are very serious about cybersecurity, because employers are looking for professionals, especially those who are new to the field, with a very strong understanding about the basic fundamentals. Now, I am going to share with you that it is imperative to focus on home lab projects. Now, I have 6 home lab projects that I highly recommend. And the first one, I'm going to go over it just very briefly, and that is building a SIEM Lab with Splunk. Now, SIEM, that stands for Security, Information, Event Management. Now, in this lab, you want to demonstrate installing Splunk, collecting Windows event logs, creating alerts, and investigating failed login attempts. Check out my free PDF just for you that will highlight the additional labs that you need to work on so that you can be a hot candidate in the job market for cybersecurity. You heard it from me, Cochise Pearson. Thank you.